The block ink extender, also available in the 75ml tube with the other 23 colours, is basically the block inks without the colour in it. If you want to reduce down the opacity of the block inks, you can use the block ink medium extender. It will reduce the colour down so it's no longer opaque, because all the block inks are opaque. They're meant to go down, cover in one pass. That's not the only thing it can be used for. If you happen to have some acrylic paints, your favourite colour, you can mix acrylic paints with the block ink medium and extender and turn that acrylic paint into a block ink. You can even mix dry powders, for instance glitter, into the block ink, clear ink extender, whatever you want to call it, and print with it, as we've done in this case, to give this amazing finish. So if you really want to customise your printmaking, give the block ink medium a go.